clutch install day. Can't wait to get this beast on there. Showed you guys in the last video. Again, I got the ACT 6-puck clutch and flywheel. So very excited to get this on there. Can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and load it up and we're off to the mechanic shop. And I know I changed it a couple of videos ago, but just in case we need it, got myself some more transmission fluid in case, you know, we can't save the one that's in there now and we can't reuse it. Got me 2 more quarts, so we're ready to go. Better to have it not needed than needed and not have it. Here we go, got the subframe out. That's probably the more difficult part. The rest shouldn't be too bad. Lots of bolts and whatnot. It should be a little easier. Damn! These little things. It's like half an inch. Oh shit. Yeah, look at chiquitito. I like them. Make sure you get a beautiful face in there too. Huh? No. Yeah, I mean like, you can zoom in on your face, you know? And then we can make comedy videos of that. Bro, why'd you put your hand in it? So it doesn't fall on your face. That shit is hot as fuck, bro. I know it's hot as fuck. Why is it still hot, bro? No, this shit is hot. It is hot. This is all like exciting and terrifying at the same time. I've never seen my car taken apart so much before. It's crazy, but there's a lot of shit you gotta take apart just to get to this damn clutch. So yeah, if you're gonna do this on your own, you know, it's gonna be fun. It'll be a few hours, but it's gonna be great when it's done. And of course, this beauty is gonna go in. Can't wait. Subscribe to his videos, bro. Look how dirty it is. Never see it again. Never say never, buddy. Not for a long time, hopefully, at least. Sorry. She's been put back together. Almost done. Got a few things to put in the engine bay. I'm not gonna give you permission to do it. Go do it real quick. Sweet. Just gotta put the charge pipe back on, put the intake back on, yeah. Put the battery back in. Yeah, a couple things. Yeah. Here's the old clutch. It's not bad. It's still good. The old flywheel. Not in bad condition, but it's definitely nice to have the upgrade. Alright guys, so the clutch is installed, it's all in. Very excited. I just got into the car, turned it on. Feeling the pedal on the clutch, it's really not any stiffer than OEM. It feels exactly the same. So if you were worried about that, which is weird. I mean, I don't know if it's just my setup or what, I don't know, maybe it's just different for some other people, some other clutches or not, but this one particularly, the clutch feels good. It feels just like OEM. It's not any stiffer at all. I know some people have made comments saying that their clutch pedal gets a lot stiffer. It's a lot harder to push in, but this feels exactly the same. I don't feel any more tension than what it was before. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and take it for a drive. We'll see how it is. I just got out their parking lot. I'm stuck at a red light right now. But also real quick, as you can see, no lights were on the dash, so they did everything great with the install. Obviously a few lights were on because they had to remove the battery. So a few lights did come on, but they went away real quick. No big deal. So yeah guys, if you guys are in Florida and you're in the Kissimmee area, Central Florida, anywhere really, I highly suggest you go check out iShorty Tech. They do great work. They just did my install on the clutch. They can do anything: brake jobs, transmission rebuilds, full engine swaps, oil changes, AC fixes, you name it, they can do it. They even tune cars. That's where I got my car tuned from. So if you need a tune done to your car, doesn't matter what it is, they work with Honda, K-Tuner, or anything. Just give them a call. I'll link their Instagram down below, so if you guys can check them out, give them a follow, and yeah, you guys can see all their work. Alright, so this feels good. Here we go, second, third. Yeah guys, I really don't feel much of a difference from OEM from the pedal. So if you were to tell me that this had an aftermarket clutch, I wouldn't be able to know if you're telling me the truth or not. The only thing I am noticing is that the pedal engagement, it happens a lot sooner. Like with the OEM one, I would have to release the clutch maybe halfway out before it engages, and now I'm only releasing it like a quarter of the way out and it's already grabbing. So I'm gonna have to get used to that, but once I'm used to that, that should make for quicker shifting, since I won't have to release the pedal as far. Any half a second is half a second, man. Just gonna have to get used to how to, doing that and then catching on earlier. This definitely feels a lot, you feel it a lot more of a difference on takeoff. So from standing still and first to taking off, that's when you really notice the fact that it's only engaging after only half a pull out of the clutch pedal. Because during normal driving through the other gears, you don't really notice it. It feels the same as my OEM one, to be honest. But I'm definitely glad that I got this put on. It's gonna help a lot in the future when I add more power mods and add more power to the car. The clutch will be able to stand up to it. So I'm really happy about that. Basically, like a good peace of mind. I don't gotta worry about the clutch slipping because it's already, a nice, good, strong one. I wish I could show you guys the pedal difference, but it's kind of hard to get the camera down there. I don't think you'll be able to tell even if I did put the camera down there. Say there is the braking period that I gotta wait before I really get on it. I've heard that that's really just don't do any like launches from a dig, for at least the 500 miles or so. But you can bang through the gears if you're already going at speed. You just don't want to do it all the time, like on a daily basis or something like that, which is fine with me because I don't daily this car anyways, so I won't be doing it that often. And I definitely will just stay away from doing any digs. Definitely won't do that. So I'll just keep it to some normal driving for a little while with the occasional pull here and there. But I do want the clutch obviously to get used to pulls as well. I don't want it to be used to just, regular daily driving. But it feels great. Highly recommend the clutch. Again, I got the ACT 6-puck sprung disc. with the street light flywheel, and like I said, feels just like OEM. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've actually got in my surprise part came in the mail, so you know, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for that next video. Make sure your post notifications are turned on, because the next video is going to be a good one. But until next time guys, take care and have a great day.